This is the elevator at the brand new, newly built condo building in Strip District, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. It's a brand new Schindler 3300. Another condo building, another 3300. Still has wood construction. There's still, I think, some construction going on here. It's this many floors yet. It's like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 floors. Most some of these might not be full floors. Regular 3300, not even an XL. Very disappointing. Come to garage 1, 150 feet a minute as well, of course. Here at garage 1, yeah, that's not fucked up. This is not 11 full floors, that's what I thought. Is 8 open? It is open, but I think that key switch is going to control it. That's like a scene in a penthouse here up, but I don't think anyone's moved in here yet, so don't worry. What's funny about this building is the records, the old permits before the new records came and the permits don't show up anymore, said TK Elevator KOP, which is very weird because firstly we're in TK Elevator Pittsburgh, not KOP, and this is clearly not a TK elevator. It's a fire rated belt. I thought it was going to be like an Evolution, but that's just this. The chime is very loud, which is not surprising for a new Schindler. At least it's shorter soon because it's residential here at A, but it should be faster. I don't know which side that opens on this side. Yep, it goes right into an opening storage unit, still construction. Go back down to 1. I would not want to live in a unit with elevator exposure because I think it's a security risk. It's a basic padded cab. Laser film in the ceiling and on the doors. The cabs don't have laser film. It has that New York night pattern that Schindler's used for a while, several years ago. Class A loading. It's a combination passenger freight elevator. It's a little rattly. Here back at 1. What's funny is on the amenities, it says high-speed, large elevator. This elevator is just average size and it's very slow. So that's a lie.